What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. Today we're talking about the Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition. Okay, now as always, if you are new to the channel, feel free to hit that subscribe and that like button, and if you're returning, make sure you hit that like button. All is greatly appreciated. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so there are 5 new color combinations. Apparently this phone is very customizable. It ranges from blue, yellow, pink, white, and black, and you can do different color combos with that. As far as the hinge options, it only offers a hinge and frame of black or silver. Now you can get this phone by going to the Samsung.com website and creating your own color combination. It's 49 different color combinations. There are no new software or hardware features. This is all cosmetic. It's just for the look of the phone. So if you want something besides the colors they offer now, which is the black, the tan, the purple, and green, you have some different options here. The phone also comes in a new box, and it shows off the colors on the outside. So this allows those who want a little bit more out of their phone as far as the way it looks, and you tend to carry your phone without a case or with a clear case. You have 49 different color combinations for you to choose from and make your own. I think this is a cool option to have, but it doesn't come with any new software or hardware features, so it's just a cosmetic and just for a peel thing. Why Samsung didn't release these color combinations and these color options when the phone launched, I have no clue. I believe that they had these options already in their back pocket, but they just waited for some reason to launch these. I'm assuming it's to boost more sales with the Galaxy Z Flip at a later time, because initially when you launch a phone, it's going to get that heavy hit of sales, but I think they held this one in their back pocket so they can later on boost the sales of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Whether they will do this with the Z Fold, I have no idea, but they're doing it now with the Z Flip. So if you're in the market to get this phone and you want it a little bit more originally, go to Samsung.com and order you up a nice little color combination. Hopefully this comes to the Z Fold 3, but that has yet to be seen. But as always, I like to keep these videos short and sweet. I thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.